He's a bit more pushy, though. Look at these guys.
Is he cute? I don't know yet. I didn't see his head.
That's true. Never want to say anything till you see their faces. I like where you're standing back here now, Amanda.
Yep.
Watch your finger, Teresa. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
Videotaping it.
Yeah. Just so she can see what she's done, what she does right and wrong. Good boy.
Oh,
Yay. Awesome.
Yay.
Yay.